Here are the highlights of day 15 of the Diddy trial. Eddie Garcia testified because the judge compelled him to do so. But before he did, we had some chaos in the courtroom. U.S. Marshals removed a woman after she yelled, "Diddy, these MFers are laughing at you." And another man was barred after he outed the victim Mia by her real name on his YouTube channel. Then the prosecution said they would be introducing Diddy's recorded jail calls into evidence. I think they're doing this to prove obstruction of justice, witness intimidation, or tampering. Garcia was working as a security guard at the Intercontinental Hotel in March 2016. Christina Joram called him and asked for the surveillance video. Joram is important because she's Diddy's chief of staff and right-hand woman, and an unindicted co-conspirator. I think prosecutors are leaning on her and she will testify against her former boss. She knows where the bodies are buried. Garcia told Joram she would have to talk to hotel management or send a subpoena to get the video. Joram didn't like that answer, so she showed up to the hotel in person, then called hotel security again and put Diddy on the phone. She finally called Garcia's personal cell phone, and Diddy told Garcia he wanted to pay for the video and that he would take care of him. Garcia called his boss, and his boss said he would sell the video for $50,000. Garcia's boss downloaded the video on a USB drive, and Garcia met with Diddy at a high-rise. Diddy asked if it was the only copy of the video, and he asked for Garcia, his boss's, and Flores' ID. Flores was the other security guard and the first witness to testify in the case. Garcia knew that Flores was by the book and wouldn't be on board with something like this, so they didn't give his ID. Diddy called Cassie on FaceTime, who also said she wanted the video gone. Diddy had Garcia sign an NDA and a declaration saying it was the only copy of the video. The agreement had a $1 million liquidated damages provision if they breached. Instead of $50,000, Diddy paid Garcia and the other security guards $100,000, and he told Garcia not to make any large purchases. Garcia also noticed the security footage and report were no longer on the hotel computer. Garcia admitted he lied to law enforcement about the incident and that he deleted text messages with other security guards, but he said he later met with the government and told them the truth. This cover-up is important because it's evidence of guilt. Derek Ferguson, the former CFO of Bad Boy Entertainment, also took the stand. He helps establish the criminal enterprise for racketeering. Ferguson managed Diddy's personal and business expenses. Jurors saw bank statements with 3 wires in December 2011, a $20,000 wire from Diddy to Cassie, a $20,000 wire from Cassie's father to Diddy, and a $20,000 wire from Diddy back to Cassie's father. This is evidence of extortion that Cassie's mom testified to. On cross, lead defense attorney Mark Agnifilo got Ferguson to admit he never saw Diddy commit crimes, including acts of violence, and that the business never engaged in prostitution, sex trafficking, or forced labor. Tomorrow, Jane, another victim, is expected to testify, and her testimony should take the rest of the week.